had like this light bulb moment where I just felt like, why don't I just duplicate what the winning people are doing? People that are showing their proof and they're showing what they're doing, just follow exactly what they're doing. I didn't think of that in the beginning.
Okay.
But after I had lost so much money in 2015, and I kind of did a restart in 2016, I said, I'm not going to reinvent the wheel. I'm not going to take any shortcuts. I'm going to do what the people are doing that are winning. And the thing is, you're not going to do everything that they're doing because they've been here for a while. And the reason why they're making so much money is because they have certain skill sets that they've learned over time.
Right.
But what I realized is I didn't have to have all of those skill sets. I didn't have to know everything. It just started out with a little bit at a time, day by day. And what it really boiled down to was consistency. I heard a six-figure earner talking about a 90-day blitz. So I looked into what that was, what it stands for, and what I needed to do. And I personally put myself on a 90-day blitz where I did the same things over and over and over again with no results for 90 days. And that literally changed my life.
Wow.
Because the 90 days just showed proof that if I was consistent, I would start earning money. And it took me about 75 days to get that first big payout, but I swear to you, it's like it happened yesterday. I remember waking up on a Friday night, going to sleep on a Friday night, and a lady telling me she was going to send me some money for a program. I didn't know if it was true or not, but I remember waking up Saturday morning and I had $1,000 in my PayPal.
What?
In that same day, I had another gentleman call me that wanted to start with me, and he sent me another $800 to my PayPal.
Wow.
And those two payments just showed me that, Amanda, they were right. You just had to be consistent and stop jumping around everywhere. So that became my addiction. I just started to be more focused on staying consistent. And the more consistent I was, the more it just, and everyone says you did it so fast because by 2017, I was a six-figure earner, 2018, multiple six-figure earner, and it just keeps going because what happens is it becomes a snowball effect. You keep the pipeline full and you never go broke. There's 200,000 people per day that's looking to leave their daytime job. There's more than enough to be made. This industry will never go saturated, and you just have to know what you're doing and you have to just stay consistent.